Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, where you come for your crypto neo, your news, education, and opportunity. I'll be your host today, Jacob, and today we're going to be doing one of our deeper network deep dives. So for those of you who don't know what the deeper network is, we've covered it in the past and other protocols. Here on Wise Beyond Bitcoin, we value privacy, we value security, and we value the scalability of blockchain. And we're here to be able to help educate. So you can do your own research to be your own bank. If you want to check out our previous video on Deeper Network, we have an update about their higher APY earnings and how you can earn a higher APY faster. But for today's video, we're going to go ahead and do just a quick recap of the Deeper Network, just a quick simplification of what the Deeper Network is. The Deeper Network is a decentralized VPN. It's a serverless and distributed network where user data can never be logged, leaked, hacked, or subpoenaed. And by operating these nodes, these physical devices, you're able to earn crypto and mining rewards for sharing your upstream bandwidth so that way people can use your device to bounce their VPN off of, or to bounce their IP address off of, creating a decentralized VPN network. With that being said, if you're asking yourself, which device am I going to get? Which device is best for me? I personally own both devices, both the Mini and the Pico, and I would compare them sort of like this. Think of the Pico as your travel device. I'm going to a hotel, I'm going to be staying with a friend, I'm going to be connecting to a Wi-Fi that doesn't have a password protection. The Pico is sort of your, shield when you're going out into the internet. It blocks you from a lot of harmful things. And I think a great example is, for me, I have Roku TVs. They happen to ping my location quite a bit. And so does some Google devices as well. They tend to ping my location quite a bit. And this allows me to block that and to stop them from being able to gather that data on me so far as I choose. And the same goes with the Mini. They functionally both do the same thing. It's more so about the user experience. So with the Pico, I wouldn't recommend getting it if you're trying to get an at-home device, if you're expecting to do gaming or a lot. But if you're going to a hotel, streaming, watching Netflix, perfect for it. However, if you're going to be mining tokens, if you're going to be gaming, you're going to be using it at your home network, I highly recommend the Mini over the Pico because of the larger memory and the larger max bandwidth. So it allows you to just have an overall cleaner experience from the user perspective. That being said, quick recap of staked mining rates. You have a credit score from 100 to 800, 800 being the largest, and you can increase your credit score by staking Deeper Network tokens and increasing your daily earnings rewards. Now, we talked about in a previous video how the rewards will change now with Basic Mining 2.0. Every 3 months, the rate of your daily return will increase or decrease, roughly somewhere in the range of 30%. So that 164 tokens that you'd be mining at an 800 credit score may not be the same. That being said, we are going to get into ways you can raise your credit score other than just staking DPR, and that's burning their Deeper Knots NFT, which overall just adds utility to the NFT and creates a mechanism in which the NFTs become more rare over time. With the current market cap of DPR, we're also going to take a look at that. $36 million is their current market cap, with Yeah, 288 million. Sorry, my brain is just numbers sometimes. The current price is at around 3 cents, with the circulating supply being 1.24 billion and the max supply being 10 billion. So what does this all mean to you or me? Well, when trying to look at the future potential price action of a cryptocurrency, and especially something like Deeper Network, I'll even compare it to Helium. You have these physical devices that have a utility in the real world that by adding to creates an overall infrastructure for the internet or for Internet of Things. And with Deeper Network, what they're providing is a value, a service. So what I'd like to do to be able to guesstimate, give a good guesstimation about what future price action can do for your mining rewards, and give you an idea of how you can do your own research. And this is how I do mine. So if you ever wanted to find the market cap of a particular coin, you take their coin price and you times that by their circulating supply. But we're trying to find the future potential coin price of DPR. So we're going to take a market cap of a similar project. We're going to divide it by the circulating coin supply. And so since I mentioned Helium, it's only fitting that we would take Helium. And at rank 50, it does seem like a massive jump from Deeper Network's rank, which right now, Deeper Network, I believe, is in rank 400. Yeah, 428. There it is. So we're going to go ahead and take those numbers. We're just going to plug them into my calculator. I'm going to take that circulating supply and put that in here. And if we were to take those numbers, if DPR was to reach the, market cap of Helium, they would be at 86 cents in token price. Now that's with the current circulating supply. Deeper Network has burning mechanisms that hopefully over time will burn the token enough to be able to affect the overall circulating supply, lowering this number, increasing the ability for the market cap to increase price so that market cap can maybe reach rank 50, right? And the circulating supply maybe halved. And in that case, it has that much larger of a price potential jump. Now, this is not financial advice, and I'm not saying that they're going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and take this number that we have today and plug it in here. And with that, that's 86 cents. At the current token price of 160 tokens per day, you're roughly earning, it's just round down to $4. $4 a day isn't much. So, $4 a day, we times that by 30, it's $120 a month. I mean, for an initial investment of the device plus, $3,000 worth of tokens, it doesn't seem like the best investment if it was at a flat price, if Deeper Network's price never changed. But we're not going to say it's going to stay the same forever. So if we just say that, at 86 cents times that by 160 tokens per day, it's $137. We go ahead and times that. It's about $4,000 a month from a price jump from where it's at now to where we're speculating it could be at. So at under $1, at 86 cents per token, you're earning roughly $4,000. For a $3,000 investment to earn $4,000 a month, is mind-blowing to me. And this is the potential price action of what could happen with deeper network. And I base this off of their use case potential. I base this off of the partnerships they have as far as delivering the devices to the largest amount of people. I base this off of the development that they are building on their network, be it decentralized apps, DTube, everything that they're building out. It's going to take tokens out of supply, and whatever it is that they do to increase their market cap, whether it's showing up to events. And I think a great example is the event that they had showed up to. Let me see if I can pull that up. Consensus Web3. They won second place. And this is just a great example of deeper network getting better marketing and overall just more eyes on the project. I think deeper network is a massive, massive potential bull that's going to take a lot of people by storm. And I think it's a tool in the Web3 space that is just overlooked. VPNs are an amazing tool, but at the end of the day, if any government entity can subpoena them, were you ever really private in the first place? And with deeper networks investment potential, it's a vehicle for people to have passive income, potentially for the rest of their lives. If I could make 4-5 grand a month for the next 10 years, that's insane. That is insane. And that's people's salary in passive income. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm not saying that this is something that is guaranteed, but the risk to reward ratio for me, throwing down 3 grand on top of the price of the device to earn potentially $1,000 more a month is massive. It's massive enough for me to want to do it. And so I hope that you do your own research on Deeper Network. I hope you enjoyed this Deeper Network deep dive. And until the next time, namaste and have a great day.